In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2011 MCQs, that is, let G be an abelian group, then which one of the following is not true? Option A, every commutator of G is identity. True option. If M is divisor of order G, then G must have a subgroup of order M. That is true. So center of G is G itself. True. Every subgroup of G is cyclic. True. All the options are true. So best option, that is option D. Option D is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.